So you're probably wondering why I was in Bicheno, and the reason is that I dropped someone off at the start of the Leabera track because they did it for me, so I guess I'm returning the favour. And I thought on the way home I'd drive via the Lake Leak Road because I haven't done the full length of it before, and I'm going to have a look at Lost Falls. It's a huge walk. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to do it. 10 minutes, it's going to be tough. Well, I left the car park 4 minutes ago and I'm here at the lookout of Lost Falls, except I think the falls are lost today because they're not there. That is where they would usually flow down that rock face. But do get views down the valley where you can see Mount Graham and Mount Freycinet, as well as the top of Shooten Island. So that's a view out to the Hazards and Dolphin Sands, because there's also a short other little scenic lookout track from the car park, which is what I've just done. The waterfall, pretty poor to be honest, but I imagine after a lot of rain it'd be pretty good. And now I'm going to go check out the other waterfall in the area, which is Meetus Falls. Well, I'm not going to Meetus Falls anymore because just 300 metres up from the Lake Leak Road, I came across this. It's been pretty windy the past couple of days, so it's no surprise really. Bit of a shame really as well. I was hoping Meetus Falls is better than Lost Falls, but what can you do? Like the video, subscribe and press that little bell icon.